Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today I want to walk you through brand new 2021 Nautique GS20. So as you can see, we do have the black on the black, and in the middle here it's hard to see it, but there is a nice metal flake in here, so in the sun it really would pop out for you. Got the black tower, we got the speakers up there. Then we come back to the swim platform. So you got the nice sea deck back here. In our GS series boats, we definitely have the cool seats that are back here as well. So let's go on the inside and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior. We optioned this with the gray and then a little bit of the black accent throughout as well. So really nice looking. In the back here, these hatches do open up and there's storage underneath there. We optioned this with the ZR4, so that's the 400 horsepower with 400 foot-pounds of torque. Up on the tower, we've got the JL Audio drivers. These are 7.7 inch. It's not on right now because we just unwrapped it, but it does have the bimini, which is included in this boat as well. We got the Nautique awareness camera up here. We got the pop-up ski pylon, so it's a great all-around boat, skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, everything you need. Wraparound seating. This seat in the middle here does come out, has sea deck underneath it, so it's easy to get in and out of the boat. And then there's storage. If you lift up a seat on this side and this side, there's storage that communicates all the way through to the back. So we did do the lighted cup holders package with this one. We got the M Studio Elite package, so you got the JL Audio speakers, and then underneath this seat here is the 10-inch subwoofer. We've got the 12.4-inch link pin array. Has everything you need right in there. Be able to press a button, get yourself set up for surfing, wakeboarding, skiing, whatever you need. And then the nice big rounded bow that the GS's have. You got some USB ports up there, cup holders. Just an all-around great boat, again, for everything that you're looking to do. This boat's here at our Rogers location, so if you want to give us a call and set up an appointment, you can. And as always, thanks for watching the video, and click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we have coming out every day.